In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an animation video into Leadpages in just 5 minutes. Now, why is this important, you ask? Well, unlike static images, Leadpages doesn't directly host video files. This means that before getting everything sorted on Leadpages, you need to first upload your video to a hosting site. To make things smooth and straightforward, we'll walk through this process together, step by step. First, you need to head over to YouTube. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the plus icon. It might show up as a camera symbol with a plus sign right at the top of your interface. Clicking that will allow you to upload your animation video. Choose your file, and let YouTube do its magic while your video uploads. Once your video is uploaded, you'll need to grab the embed code. Simply find the Share button, usually located under your video. Click on that, and you'll see various options. What you want to focus on is the Embed option. Select it, and it'll show you some HTML code. Copy this code, as you'll need it very shortly. Your next stop is Leadpages. Fire up your browser and search for Leadpages. Once you've found the official link, go ahead and click on it. This should take you to the login page. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to do so. Enter your credentials and get yourself inside your Leadpages account. With the upload and login steps behind us, it's time to pick the landing page where you'd like to add your video. Navigate around to find the option to create a new page or select an existing one that you'd like to edit. Once the page is open, direct your attention to the menu. You're looking for the video widget. It's typically found among other tools on your workspace. Once you see it, click and drag it right onto the spot on your landing page where you want the video to appear. Now, you should notice a pencil icon over the newly added video widget. Give that icon a click. Doing so will open a settings pane on your screen. This is the exciting part. You'll paste the embed code you copied earlier into this settings area. Alternatively, if you have the direct URL of your YouTube video, you can also enter that here. To finish things up, simply hit the Save button. This action locks in your changes, ensuring they've all been applied correctly to your page. If you're curious to see how everything looks with the video integrated, you can click the Preview button. This will show you an exact view of how your visitors will experience your page with the video seamlessly embedded. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an animation video into Leadpages. Wasn't that easy? With this knowledge, you can now enhance your landing pages, making them more engaging and dynamic for your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.